And the idea is, I'm not going to come in and say, this is what religion is. There's subjective value and objective factors, subjectivity.
But nature doesn't allow us to unravel that. But now,
data,
with the way
there's science, there's
trust
pseudoscience,
and stability
there's religion.
from the
We have
universe.
all
By
these
embracing
dichotomies
my
and
essence,
distinctions.
the
the
old
felt
knowledge
sense
and
of
science,
brain,
science
an evolved
wins.
brain, which works by
recognizes that
nerve
two things are not
impulses,
logically
and when that
identical.
decays,
A dichotomy says, oh no, it's more than that. They are actually separate realities. We're in the grip of a picture that we think makes sense, but ultimately doesn't work anymore. Our way of thinking about reality, God, truth, good, and beauty have been so captured by the Enlightenment framework that we have to first deconstruct that framework. While I see individuals and groups of individuals in the legacy religions doing this, I don't see the legacy religions institutionally doing this. I don't see them wrestling very well with social media, globalization, and AGI. But that's where the sacred needs to show up. That's where it is showing up. But the problem I see is they don't have the language, the grammar, or even the set of practices that are fully needed for what I described right now. And a clear, undeniable recognition of like true, full-blooded pluralism of traditions and religions. The overall proposal I'm making is that a religious experience of God is both intellectually legitimate and philosophically defensible, and that means that there is a possibility for a re-inhabiting of religion and religio in a way that is deeply pertinent, as I said at the beginning, to the existential threats as they intertwine with, exacerbate, and are exacerbated by the meaning crisis. That deeper sense of meaning is intrinsically bound up with wisdom and a kind of profound transformation. As the child is to the adult is to the sage. We need to see God again for the first time.